Hello everyone, I am Madhav from PM Sri Kendra Vidyalaya Ernakulam. Our school is getting ready for more student innovations and giving us some hands-on learning experience in 21st century skills. And guess what? One of the coolest courses they have lined up for us is all about microcontrollers and what we can do with them. I mean, who wouldn't want to learn how to turn their wild ideas into actual real-life solutions, right? So, our school has arranged 20 KEYESTUDIO STEM Starter Kits from STEAMcube, along with bunch of online training courses that's gonna teach us everything we need to know about using microcontrollers like Arduino and how to program it, and also playing around with electronic components and sensors. The course will also teach us how to program in MicroPython and web designing. This is kind of stuff that's gonna set up us for more seriously cool projects and real world solution building. Today, I am going to unbox one of the KEYESTUDIO STEM Starter Kits we have received from STEAMcube and see what's in it. So let's start. This is the STEM Starter Kit we have received from STEAMcube and it is produced by KEYESTUDIO. It comes in a compact paper box. Let's unwrap its plastic wrap and see what is inside. This is a good quality packaging and it contains some information. Front side say it has 28 projects and back side has a short description of the kit. We can also see a list of 47 items available inside the kit. This side says the model number and it says plus board is contained within this kit. On the opposite side, we have some pictures of cartoons for various projects. Now let's remove the paper wrapper. It's a nice paper box. So let me see where we can open the box. Yes, we can open this box here. Let me open it. Oh, it's fully packed. Look at these cartoon papers. It's of good quality and is pre-cut for you. The project numbers are written below and we can use these cartoons for our projects. Now let us keep this away and see what is inside this small leaflet. So here we can see the model number. Let us open this. We have a small description about this kit. So we have a product list. Here there are names of the components and their pictures. You can see a lot of components. This can be used in our projects. At the back side we have a resource, so here we have a link for the resources and a QR code which we can scan to access these resources. So here I can see 5 boxes. Let us take each one out and see what is inside. So first of all, let us take out that small box. It is full of jumper wires which we can connect in the breadboard to make circuits. Then we have the breadboard. It's a 400 volt breadboard. Then we have the plus board. Then we have the LCD display. This is the accessories box. Then we have the holder for the microcontroller and the breadboard. Now let us unbox each of these boxes. So in this box we have a 400 volt breadboard. So it's of a high quality. So let us see. Okay, we have a sticker option backside. So we can peel off that sticker to connect it to a holder. So we can keep it like that. Then we have the microcontroller. It's a plus board. This is just like the Arduino UNO board, but it has more features than that. So we can see it here. Then this board has more features compared to the UNO R3 board. It has a better USB chip for improved connectivity. It has built-in 3.3 and 5 volt option. Then it has additional input ports. It's a A7 and A6. Then we have extended serial connection and I2C interface. It has high power design, so we can connect high power motors into the board. Then it has 6 PWM and analog pins available here. Then we can connect our plus board to more power voltage, so for example to 7 to 15 volts. So this is the board, we can connect it to the holder like that. So there are holes present in the board where we can screw it into the holder. Now we have our LCD screen. It's a 16:2 LCD screen. So let us take this out. It's a high quality LCD display. We have an I2C interface at the back. Now let us unbox the big box. It's also a good quality paper box. Let us open it upon here. So it's full of components. It has a resistor card for conveying color codes of resistor to its values. Good one when we want to select resistors for the circuit. Now let us take all of the components out. Keep that box away. Okay. Now let us check each components. We have the stepper motor. This can be used in projects where you want to move things in small steps in a controlled way. It's a high power motor which we can control using a driver. Then we have our joystick. So it is made of two modules. So we have the controller and above we have a cap on it. Then we have the DC jack, which can be connected to the controller using that jack to power it through the 9-volt battery. Then we have the jumper wires. There are two jumper wires. We have male to female and female to female. So this can be connected to the breadboard. Here is the male to female. Then we have the male to male connectors. These are flexible ones. So next we have the C-type cable which can be connected to our plus board to program it or to supply the power. Next let us take out the displays. So we have multiple displays present in that kit box. So we have LED matrix. So these are really cool for making projects. Then we have a 4-digit 7-segment display. Then we have a single-digit 7-segment display. Also we have a potentiometer and a shift register present in that. Then we have the infrared remote, so this can be used with the IR receiver. Next we have our DC motor with the propeller, so we can connect the propeller to the DC motor to rotate it. The propeller is of high quality, so it does not harm our hands if we accidentally put our hands into that. Then we have the HCSR04 ultrasonic distance sensor. Then we have multiple sensors present in. So we have the humidity sensor, we have the IR receiver sensor, we have the PIR sensor, then we have the stepper motor driver, we have the sound sensor, the ultrasonic distance sensor, and finally the joystick. Now we have the servo motor. It's a micro servo, so it takes less power, and we can control even small angles using this servo motor. It also comes with some of these parts which we can connect to the servo motor to control it. Then we have that small plastic screws which we can use to connect the plus board to our holder. We can screw it like that. It makes it more sturdy. Then we have the push button with the cap on it. Also we have an active buzzer. Then we have some photoresistors, some of the tilt sensors, some transistors, and a flame sensor. These are the two buzzers, so it's an active and a passive buzzer. Then we have some colorful LEDs, so we have blue, green, red and yellow, also with the RGB LED. Then we have the resistors with the color codes, so we can check into that card for the resistance using our color codes. So these are the all components which are present inside the STEM Starter Kit. So we can create 28 projects using these components. So these components are of high quality and we can use these components. We are having some resources present in the KEYESTUDIO website, so we can scan that QR code. So these are the resources presented in. We have all the projects, their codes and how to assemble the circuit. All those things are present in the website. I think this is a very good kit to start learning about microcontrollers and get some hands-on experience in using it in projects. Together with the course from SteamCube on microcontrollers and MicroPython, this kit can add a lot of fun in learning. I am very excited to use it. So what about you?